Alright, today we'll be having a battle between Flame Pegasus and Great Volgo. I just randomly put this guy together and this guy, all original. Yeah, so. Launch Pegasus first. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow, this is so epic. Whatever you do, don't hit each other. I want an inhumane fight. Okay, guys? Good. We'll battle. Again. So that's awesome. So